Yo, I'm sitting here knitting, and I'm using my neck mount to hold my phone for a light so I can see what I'm doing with my darker yarn, right? And I'm hearing this weird sound coming from my couch, and I'm like, what the fuck is that, right? It's my fucking cat under there sleeping. So, yeah. But in case you didn't know, you can use a neck mount to hold a light on your phone to see shit when you're blind or having bad vision from bad POTS day. Yeah. Happy Friday night.